Hello everyone, I am Himanshu Ramzandani and I'm going to give you an overview of my Python course for data professionals. This course is of 12 live sessions. Every session will be of 2 hours. So we are covering 24 hours of total content in Python. So this course is for professionals, those who want to start their journey in data or in data science. So this can be your starting point. So as you can see, I am here on the Notion template. I created this template. You will get this template on my LinkedIn profile. Let me quickly walk you through this. So here you will see the detailed topics what we are going to cover in this workshop or course. So here are 12 different topics. When you go into any of the topics, you will see there's some details topic we are going to cover. Okay, in every section you will see different topics. So these are the topics. First 5 sessions we will fully focus on logic building and solving algorithm based questions. I will share 3 types of questions with you. First one is the concept based question. These questions are used to build logics, how to build logics for solving a particular problem. So you can focus on these 5 topics for logic building majorly. Second type of questions are warm-up questions, or I will provide you sheets for different topics and you can solve those questions to build logics and get better in your programming journey. From day 6 to 12, we will focus on the data part, how to build APIs, how to fetch data, how to fetch data from different sources, how to interact with database, how to work on statistics, how to work on data, how to do exploratory data analysis. These type of topics we are going to cover. Also, we will see the data visualization part using Matplotlib. We are going to work on some projects, and I will share interview resources and how to approach in this particular field, how to switch from current experience, how to use your current experience and integrate it into data science. Okay, you can book your seats here. Also, when you go here, you will you can enter this early 50 coupon code to get 50% off directly. Once you pay, you will get a WhatsApp group, closed group community link. So it's a closed community for all the data professionals. So you can join that particular group. Okay, so some of the other things you can focus on, like if you go to this particular section, you will get all the resources I will share with you when we start the session. These are the key features of this particular course and workshop. There are 24 hours in total. You can get all the recordings for a lifetime access. If you have any doubt, you can directly approach me through that closed community, or you can ask like-minded people in that particular community of data professionals. Okay, this course, if this course happens in the future again, you can attend that live for free for your lifetime. Okay, you don't have to pay again for this particular course or these particular workshops. Okay, you will get this editable Notion template on my LinkedIn profile. I will show that to you as well. So you can join if you are already working in the field. If you have a basic programming experience, not in Python, well, that will be okay. But if you have some basic programming knowledge in any language, you will cope up. Okay, so if you are a manager in a company, or you are a product manager, you are working in a team, you want to understand the technicality of a particular project or to understand better the developer's perspective, you can join this course. Okay, what we will going to learn, or you will be confident in Python, that's for sure. You will be good in building logics and programming, how to work on data and how to integrate in the data into current problems you are facing in your industry. You will be good in hands-on experience on different data sets. You will get all the materials. If you want to integrate your current knowledge with your particular domain of expertise, I will help you with that in our 12th session. Okay, in our 12th session, I will help you with that. Okay, so these are some testimonials. You can search them on LinkedIn and you can talk to them as well. So these are the previous students. Okay, This is my LinkedIn profile. Let me show you that as well. These are the companies my current students are working in, and many more. I didn't mention all of them here. You will get the link after you pay for the course, and you will join the closed community. Okay, so let me show you my LinkedIn profile. This is my LinkedIn profile. Okay, so you can go there. Here you will go for my newsletter, that is notes on data, product and AI. When you go there, you will see this particular course detail. Let me open it for you. Okay, you can subscribe to the newsletter as well. There are 7,000 people already in. Okay, so I usually post content related to data science and product building. So all the details you can find here. You will get the Notion template here. Okay, so testimonials you can find here, and that's it. So if you want to join, you can go here and you will find the booking link here. So you can book your seat and see you there. Thank you.